How to make video ads with Canva. Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I will be showing you step by step how you can create video ads using Canva for free. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com, and by the way they also have a mobile app that you can use. Once on Canva, and by the way you can sign up using your email address. Once on Canva, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you will see two options. You can either select create a design right beside your profile pic or initials, and from here if you were to, for example, type in Facebook ads, you will see different sizes that you could choose from. So you can see right here Facebook ad, and you can see the recommended size 1200 by 628 px, or if you are doing it for mobile you will see 810 by 450 px. And by the way, if you were to type in LinkedIn, Twitter or any other social media platform, you would also see the recommended sizes. And if you don't want to go right there and you know a custom size that you want, for example, you want to create 400 by 400, you can type it in by selecting custom size, then you'll tap on create design. A third option that you could also do is tap on the search bar. After tapping on the search bar, we are going to type in video ads. After selecting video ads, from here you will see numerous video ads templates that you can choose from. And this is one of the main and best features personally that I think about when I think of Canva, is that with their templates they make it easy for even a complete beginner that doesn't have much technical skill to create beautiful video ads. So once you have typed in video ads, you are going to scroll down and you will see numerous templates you can select from. And by the way, any one of the templates that you see with a $sign or with a crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to access that particular template. But don't worry, there are numerous free templates that you can choose from. As you can see right here, if you want to do a YouTube video ad for baking, you could select that one. And you can also see a blue minimalistic travel ad right here that you could also select. And for this example, I'm going to select this template. After tapping on the template, you will see a better preview right here. And if it is to your liking, you could tap on customize this template. Or if you want a similar template in the same niche, you can scroll down and you will see the option more like this. And you could select one of these templates right here to use. But for this example, I like this particular template, so I'm going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be provided with a blank canvas, or better yet, you'll be provided with a canvas with your video template right here. And in the left hand option, I want you to observe the menu. The first thing you're going to see is design. Then you are going to see elements, uploads, text, and if you scroll down, you will also see the option background. For example, if you would like to upload a video or photo, you are going to select uploads. Then you would tap on upload files and you'll be able to upload your own file. And at the top where you see elements, you can tap on that. And if you would like to search for a particular element that you would like to add, you can type it in the search bar. I will show you later on how to use that. So the first thing we're going to do, once on our timeline, as you can see right here, let's start doing some editing. So let's say, for example, we want to change the background video. All you'll have to do is tap on the video right here. So you're going to select the canvas. After you have selected the canvas, you are going to right click. After right clicking, you will see the option detach image. You could tap on that. And from here, you are going to delete this particular image. After you have done that, what I would recommend you do, you could go over to elements. And from here, you could type in beach. then you'll tap on search, and then Canva is going to recommend numerous copyright-free beach images that you can use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this particular one. All you'll do again is select the canvas, then you're going to background. Once you have typed in beach, all you'll have to do is tap on the particular image, then you're going to tap and drag it onto the timeline, as you can see right here. Another thing we can also do, let's say we want to remove this particular element. All you have to do is tap on it. Then after you have tapped on it, you could select the trash can right there to delete it. And you have two options. You can either choose to delete the video or you can delete the frame. So let's see, at the moment we could delete the frame. Better yet, I'll delete the video. So the frame will still be here, so I could add in anything I want. And for this example, I will add in someone on the beach. So let me select beach umbrella, just for example's sake. So I'll select this beach umbrella, and then I'm going to select graphics, and I can see the different beach umbrellas right here. And I'm going to tap and drag this. So I'm going to add it right here, as you can see right there. Now if I were to tap on play, you can see how it looks. And by the way, if you would like to extend the video, you can, as you can see, a plus right here to add a new page. Or if you would like the video to be longer, you can also do that by simply dragging right here. You'll be able to extend the video. So at the moment it is 5 seconds, but if you would like it to be longer, you can pull along and you can see that it is now 11 seconds. So let's say we want to add a video also. You would go over to elements again. Then from here, let's say we want to do a video on travel. So we'll select travel videos. Then you'll tap on enter. After you have selected travel video, from here you could select videos. And from here, Canva will recommend different travel videos. And you could also use any other copyright-free website provider. And you'll be able to see travel videos that you could use. So all you'll have to do is scroll down until you see a travel video that is completely free. And you'll be able to use that particular travel video. So let's say, for example, I select this video right here. And you want to add this video, all you'll have to do is tap on the video. Tap on the video, and then you are going to drag and place it. Okay, let's say we want to add this video. All we'll have to do is tap on the 3 dots right here. Okay, let's say we want to extend the video and we want to add this video right here. What you're going to do, you're going to tap on the plus that says add page. Once you have added the page, you're going to tap on the video that you would like to add. After you have added the video, you're going to simply extend it. And you can see right there. So let's say I've added the plane right here. After I've added the plane, let's say you want this to be the first page instead of the second page. You can do that by simply tapping on the video. Then you can drag it and place it at the front right here. So as you can see right there, it is now the first video. And also, if you would like to add some form of transition right here, you can also do that by going in between the video timeline. Then you'll see the option add transition. You could tap on that. After you have tapped on that, you can see the different transitions that you can add. And you would see examples of how they will look. As you can see right there, there are numerous options you can choose from. So once you have found one that you like, for example, this one right here, you can simply tap on it. Then you can also select the duration that you want the transition to be. And once it is okay to you, all you'll have to do is tap on play right now and you can see it. And also to add audio to your video, all you'll have to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you could select uploads, and from there you'll be able to upload an audio. So you could tap on audio. As you see, I have added a few audios already. then all you'll have to do to add the audio to your timeline, you want to ensure that this arrow right here is at the front of the video. Then you'll simply tap on the audio that you'd like to add, and you can see it right there. And if the audio is longer than the video, as I said, all you'll have to do is tap on the video, then you'll be able to extend the video to that particular timeline. Or if you would like to cut the audio, you can also. And by the way, Canva also provides you with copyright-free audio. As you can see right here, after selecting elements, you can see numerous audios that you can choose from. Majority of them, though, I've gotten to realize that they are available on the paid plan, but there are numerous websites, for example Pixabay or so on, that you can go on to get copyright-free audio that you may use. Another thing that I want to show you is you can also add animated stuff on your template. So let's say, for example, I go over to elements again, and after selecting elements, I'm going to select beach again. And then let me type in beach and let me see the different graphics. So I'm going to select graphics and I'm going to tap on see all. After selecting see all, let's say, for example, I want to add this starfish running across at the bottom of the video. So I'm going to add the starfish right here. After you have added the starfish, you are going to tap on animate from the top. Then you are going to see create animation. You are going to tap on that. After you have tapped on create animation, let's say I want the starfish to go across the video at the bottom right here. So all I would have to do is tap on pull, as you can see right there. So I can choose the original or I can select smooth. Then I'll tap on done. Now if I were to play the video,
Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy angle,
you can see it right there, and that's it. Once it is finished and to your liking, all you'll have to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner. After selecting share, you're going to scroll down, then you're going to tap on download. After selecting download, you will see file type, and I would recommend that you select MP4 video. And after selecting MP4 video, you could tap on download, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.